First, we're going to pour our concrete into a bucket. You might want to do this outside because it gets pretty dusty. Next, we're going to pour in our water, but we'll do this gradually and we'll mix it until we get the perfect texture and consistency. You don't want it too thick, but you also don't want it too soupy and thin and watery. So just mix it up until it's a nice, even liquid. Next, we're going to cut our dowel into equal lengths for our legs, and I'm doing it in a miter box so I can get straight, even cuts. Next, we're going to put our cut dowels into the concrete. We're going to use this for our legs, so we keep the equal distance so that they're not too close together and it's enough room for the stand to actually stand. Now make sure you give the bucket a tap to get the air bubbles out. This will make sure the concrete is very smooth when it's finished, and you might want to rearrange your legs a little bit like I did there. And let this set for 24 hours. And after the 24 hours has passed, we're going to demold our stool and let it dry for an additional 24 hours. I love the way it came out. It's very smooth and very sturdy. Decided not to sand it to keep the raw edges. It gives it a little more character, I think. And it was an easy project overall. I think you'll enjoy it.